Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2015 government past question. Question number 29 says a feature of the presidential system is that. A feature of the presidential system is that. When we talk of presidential system, is a system of government in which the head of state is the same as the head of government, but different from legislature, because the president is an executive head of the state. So option A say the president has an indefinite term of office. B, there is a separate election for the president and legislature. C, the president is a member of the legislature. No, the president is not a member of legislature, and the president does not have an indefinite. Then D, the cabinet is collectively accountable to the legislature. No. So in presidential system of government, there is a separate election for the executive, which is the president and others, then and a separate election for the legislature, which is the National Assembly. So option B is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.